The AOSEED X-Maker Joy 3D printer is designed with beginners and kids in mind, offering an easy-to-use interface that simplifies the 3D printing process with just a single click. With precision and speed at the forefront, this printer provides professional-grade output with remarkable accuracy of 0.05 millimeters, all while maintaining a quick printing speed of up to 200 millimeters per second. A vast library of over 1,500 digital designs updated weekly ensures endless creativity and customization, making it perfect for creating personalized toys and home items. The printer allows for unique DIY customization, with printable decorations adding a personal touch and enhancing the creative experience for users of all ages. Equipped with a built-in camera, users can monitor their projects in real time from their smartphones and even create time-lapse videos to capture their creative journey. Safety is a priority with the fully enclosed structure, complemented by a no-leveling required platform and high-speed Wi-Fi for a seamless and secure printing experience.